Okay, so today you are going to be doing this worksheet as practice, and the first 6 will be in this video, and the 6 on the back will not. So what I want for you to do right now is to pause this and try number 1 on your own. When you're done with it, unpause it so you can see the answer. So go ahead and pause it. Okay, let's go over this. This line, remember, is the same thing as saying y equals negative x. So my y-intercept is 0. So I start at 0. Hopefully pencil shows up okay. And then I go down 1 over 1. Okay, so there's my line. Make sure you have your arrows. And it says I need a solid dot at 2 on that line. So here's 2. I need a solid dot. I'm going to make it larger. And this kind of points in the direction that the answer is. So my answer is on the left of the line. I need to erase the right. Okay. Next one, y-intercept. Well, it's the same thing as y equals x, so y-intercept is 0 again, but now I go up 1 over 1. So it's kind of making an x until I erase stuff. Okay, and this one tells me to make an unfilled circle at 2. So right here is that circle, and it points in the direction that my answer is, so my answer is on the right. I need to erase what's on the left. Including that dot. Okay, how'd you do? I know that doesn't look that well. Maybe I can... There, so you can kind of see it better. That's supposed to be a line, believe it or not. Okay, hopefully you did okay on that one. If you didn't do okay, hopefully you see what you did wrong, so you can try number 2 on your own right now. So go ahead and go over to number 2, and go ahead and pause it, so you can try it on your own. Okay. Let's graph this lovely thing. So these should be 2 horizontal lines, it looks like. So this is going to be y equals 2, so that's a horizontal line at 2. So there's that. Let me draw my line. Well, that was supposed to be on the line. And then I need a dot, not filled in or anything, at -3. So that's right there. And it points in the direction that the answer is, so I'm going to keep the right, erase the left. And the other one, I need a horizontal line at y equals -5. So that is right there. Draw my line, and I need another unfilled circle at -3, and I keep the left, get rid of the right. Okay. And if you can't see that very well, I'll go over it in pen real quick. Okay, so there's my lines. Okay, hopefully that one wasn't too bad. Go ahead and try number 3. Go ahead and pause it. Okay, this one, these are more horizontal lines. So this is y equals -1, and the other one will be y equals 2. So y equals 1, horizontal line at 1. And I need a dot, a filled in dot at -2. So that's right here. I'm going to make it a little bit larger. And I keep what's on the left, get rid of the right. Okay, next one. This should be a y equals -1. My bad. That's the wrong line. So this should be y is -1, so that's down here. And, whoops, that wasn't very straight, my bad. And I need a filled in dot at -2. Gonna make it a little bit larger. Keep what's on the left, get rid of the right. And there's that part of it. And then for the next one, y equals 2. So that's up here. And I make a horizontal line there. And I make a dot, not filled in or anything, at -2. And keep the right, get rid of the left. And if you can't see that very well, there you go. Okay, number 4 has 3 horizontal, well, these two will be horizontal, this one will be going up diagonally. So go ahead and pause it and try number 4 all on your own. Okay, first line I'm going to graph is y equals -1, which we did that over on number 3. So you should be able to do this one. Horizontal line at y equals -1. And I need to make a solid dot at -1. I'm going to make it larger there. And I keep what's on the left, get rid of the right. Okay, there's my first line. So, okay. Next one, that is y equals 1. So that's up here. Yes, my line's off. That's okay. And I need 2 dots at -1 and 1. And they're not filled in, so here's the first one. And what was that? 1. There's the other one. Not filled in. So you keep what's in between them, get rid of everything on the outside. Okay, next one, y equals x. That's 0, 0 as your intercept. And then you go up 1 over 1. So it's going to go through that dot right there. Draw your arrows, and then keep what's on the right, get rid of the left. So, well, first I need a dot at 1, which I'm going to put right above the earlier one. I know this looks kind of bad right now, but let me fix it first. Get rid of the line, get rid of that line, get rid of the dot. Okay. So now let me go over the final answer in black ink so it shows up better. Okay, so there's the first line. Then you have two unfilled circles with a line between them. Then you have another unfilled circle right above that, and then the line. Okay, so that one was kind of interesting. Go ahead and pause it and try number 5. Okay, let's look at 5. This is when you're actually graphing not horizontal lines. So here, start at your y-intercept, which is 2. Go down 1 over 1. Okay, I need a solid dot or filled in dot at 0. So I kind of already have one there. I'm just going to make it larger. And then I keep what's on the left, get rid of the right. Okay, next one, start at 3, go up 1 over 2. And then I need a dot at 0. It's not going to be filled in. So I already have a dot there and it is filled in, so I'm going to erase it and draw an unfilled in one. Hopefully that shows up okay. I keep what's on the right, get rid of the left. Okay. So final answer. Is that. Okay, you have one more to do with me, and then you will be doing the ones on the back by yourself. So go ahead and pause it and try number 6 on your own. Okay, last one. Well, last one with me, I should say. Okay, y-intercept is 2. Slope tells me to go up 1 over 1. And then I need a solid dot at 2. So go to 2, and I'm going to make a large dot there. Keep what's on the left, get rid of the right. Okay, last one here, 4. Go down 1 over 2. And I need an unfilled dot at 2. I kind of already have a dot there, so I'm going to erase it and draw an unfilled one. And I keep what's on the right, get rid of the left. Okay, and that's it. Let me go over it in ink real quick so it shows up better. And that is it. So now you need to go to the back and do the last 6 on your own. I will tell you, just a little hint before this is over with, on 11 and 12, you will have things that look like that. That just means you put a solid dot at 2 when your line crosses 2. Okay, so that's your little hint. If you need more help, let me know. That's it.